Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making South Indian style mutton curry with potato and field beans. This mutton is so soft and tender and is very flavorful, and this curry goes well with rice as well as chapati, dosa and idli, and I hope you like this recipe. Now let's get started. Ingredients you need to make mutton curry. This is field beans. You have to soak it for at least 4 to 5 hours or leave it overnight. First wash it and then add fresh water, cover and leave it to soak. I have soaked it overnight. This is half a kilo potato, scrub and wash it thoroughly. Into a pressure cooker, add the potatoes and beans, add some salt and water. Pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles or cook for 10 to 12 minutes. This is 1 kilo mutton with the bones. Wash and add it to the pressure cooker. To this add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of salt. Add 2 cups of water and pressure cook it for 7 to 8 whistles or until the meat is tender. To a heavy bottomed pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. This is cold pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is hot, add the whole spices and fry it for 10 to 12 seconds. This is paste of 2 onions. Just add onion to the blender, grind and add it. Fry this for 3 to 4 minutes. It should turn light golden. One of the main tips to get a wonderful curry is fry your onion well. Onion is fried well. Now in this stage add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and fry it for 2 more minutes. This is 1 big tomato. If you have small ones, just add 2. Fry this for a minute. Quarter cup of both coriander and mint leaves finely chopped. Some curry leaves and green chilies. Again fry this for a minute. To this add 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder. You can always adjust the spice according to your spice level. Give it a quick stir after adding all the spices. Just add quarter cup of hot water to prevent spices from burning. After adding water, cover and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes on a low medium heat or until the oil starts separating from it. So you can see that the oil is separated and the spices are nicely cooked. At this stage I am adding 2 tablespoons of cashew nut powder. This will add up extra richness to the gravy and also it will thicken up the curry. You can also use couscous. It's not available here, that's why I'm using cashew nut. Just saute this for a few seconds. Now I'm adding mutton with the broth. This is boiled potato and beans. Mix well, let it simmer for a minute. Add a cup of coconut milk, give a quick mix and let's wait till it comes to a boil. Now you can adjust the consistency and check for some salt. I have added salt in mutton and beans, so check and add if needed. It needed some more salt, so I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. So finally I'm adding a teaspoon of lemon juice and some curry leaves for extra aroma. This is done. Turn off the flame. Our mutton curry is incredible. Do give this recipe a try and share this video with your family and friends. It's just pure joy to eat. And I hope you like this video. If so, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.